This is a newer LiftMaster garage door opener. And as you can see, it has the MyQ Wi-Fi. And it has like this newer switch. This is what's inside. You have like lock, learn, and you have a little button right there. You have the light. Watch this. So let's close that. Let's give it an open. This is a very nice opener. Can't really see much on top of the opener. Here's a front view. Very nice opener. All right. Let's close it up. This is a cool opener. I really like it. I don't know what model this is, but this is a very nice opener. All right, so that's it.